Hey guys, Jeremy here, and if you have ever needed to make precise cuts or engravings or just little shavings off of pieces of puzzles or models, then this tool might be just what you're looking for. So this scribing set was sent to me at no charge for this review, and I don't have anything to scribe right now, but we're going to walk you through all of the accessories that come with this and how to use it. So right out of the box, you're getting a full scribing kit, not just one tool. So they give you 2 handles, you've got 5 tips, and then you've got 2 rolls of scribing tape. Now the handle gives you full control, and these different tips are going to let you change how fine or how deep your lines are. Now this kit also includes guide tape so that you can make your lines straight and consistent. So scribing is basically cutting grooves or straight lines in models or puzzles, plastics, or things like that. Usually it's for detailing, marking, or fitting pieces together. So I think this is going to be especially helpful when putting together those wooden puzzles, and we do a lot of those wooden puzzles, and sometimes you just need a little flake off the edge, and this little scribing tool is going to be able to get that for us. So you'll see these things used a lot in model kits, hobby work, woodworking, plastics, engraving. If you need clean, accurate lines and more control than a pencil or a marker, this is the kind of tool that makes that possible. So you got a pretty solid setup here. You got your red, you got your blue, you got your 5 engraving tools, and then you can also get more if you need them.